In this video, I'll show you how to train ChatGPT to become your personal customer feedback reply writer to save you time and improve your student relations. I start by opening ChatGPT and pasting in a detailed prompt that defines my identity as an online educator named Josh. I'm setting clear expectations for the tone of my brand, which should be warm, human, and conversational. I want my students to feel heard and valued, rather than receiving a robotic, copy-pasted response. ChatGPT confirms the instructions and outlines the core principles it will follow, such as acknowledging specific feedback and reinforcing the impact of the student's progress. Now, I'm ready to test it. I copy a positive review from a student who says my course changed how they approach their work. I paste it into the chat, and ChatGPT provides two well-crafted responses. I compare them and select the one that feels most authentic to my voice. Next, I'll test a more difficult piece of feedback: constructive criticism regarding a module that felt too brief. I paste the student's concern, and ChatGPT generates a reply that acknowledges the gap honestly while maintaining a professional and grateful tone. For the third test, I use a message from a frustrated student experiencing technical issues. The AI generates a very empathetic apology and offers a clear path to a resolution, which is exactly the kind of support my brand stands for. To finish setting up my system, I ask ChatGPT to create 4 reusable templates based on these different categories of feedback. It provides me with fill-in-the-blank templates for positive praise, constructive criticism, frustrated customers, and refund requests, giving me a complete toolkit to manage my community efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.